Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrainingsystem.com. I'm making this video about gold. Let's get started. I'm going to start from here at the end of wave 3 and starting wave 4 to the downside. So I said we're going to drop here and wave 4 should be around like wave 2 size, size wise, right? So what happened to this chart is it dropped right there, boom. So I said, okay, this is A, B, then may go up for B and then come down for C, a little bit outside the channel, and then we go up for wave 5. So wave 4, we needed the wave 4, there, right? So this one, what happened, I made the chart like this, that's gonna happen this way. And then also 4-hour chart, you should, that drop and then it went up where I said that it's gonna go up for B. So I'll start tracking this on with 4-hour chart, right? Instead of daily. And it went up there, so I made the chart that now we're gonna be dropping maybe for wave C. So it started to drop nice and clean and then came down and it came down, it went up here like that, and then I made the chart that is going to go from here to there and there to here, but I missed the chart. I don't know where it is now. So I lost it. So anyway, so it went up there. So I said instead of this B, that would be like A, B, C, and then end up making the B here, and then we will come down for wave C, right? So that was the idea. So it started to come down. I made this chart, and then you see that nice and clean. It came down here, and I had several short entries. But from here, I thought it's going to be dropping if we can stay below these lows here, right? The condition is this: if it and I wrote down here. Look, the price is in wave 4. I mean B of wave 4, which is the most complex and difficult wave of all. So need to be very careful. So I had written here that be careful because it is the most dangerous and wobbly and ranging kind of wave of all. So need to be very careful. So what happened to this chart is then I made this chart on the 20th December, and then I like kind of lost track. I didn't do much, and then it instead of coming down, start to go to the upside. Right? I made a couple of charts, but I don't know where they are. So anyway, so from here, instead of dropping, it start to go to the upside. So I remember on the 9th, January 9th, I made a couple of new charts, monthly, weekly, daily, and all of that. So I'm going to show you those charts now. So this was and is still gold monthly chart that is supposed to be coming for wave 4. Like this is small wave 1, 2, 3, and then right here somewhere 4, and then 5. But this is not very clear on a monthly chart. So this is here is much clear, right? So this is the chart that I made, and it is right now. This is what it's doing, and not exactly, but it went up a lot more, right? But this was the a chart I made on the 9th. That maybe right from here it's gonna drop back for C, and similarly 4-hour chart, daily chart. My daily chart was this. The target is 2696 and it should be dropping from there if it is going to drop right below staying below 2685. And the 4-hour chart was looking like this, right? A little bit more detail, highs and lows. So 2685 was the bottom line that we probably going to be staying below or maybe here 2695 85, or if it goes to the upside maximum it will go to this 2595, but it start to go up more. And I made the video last time, I think a few days ago, saying that it may go up to 2721 or 27. What the heck? Oh, it's misprint here. It's 2726 actually, right? So it can go to these areas, right? Easily. And if we stay below this, then okay. But if not, then it can go even higher, right? Like I said, that it is already complex for wave 4. So maybe it's finished, or maybe it's like a triangle or something like that, right? I draw the triangle here. So and the wave 4 is done, then we should go to the upside, right? So need to be very careful, right? So let's go take a look at right now what's happening, all these charts. So this is the daily chart, current daily chart, right? Weekly chart, let me show you the weekly chart is like this. So it is still, the price is still for wave B is still below the high of wave 3. So we can drop from here and then finish up my job, our job, not my job, to finish up this wave 4. right? But key factor is, let's go take a look at the daily again. Daily chart, and then this is the high. You see this 27.49. I'm watching this very closely. This is 27.51. This is 49, and this candle high, this golden candle, and then we drop here, and then we went up, right? So this candle high is 50, 27.50, and this high is 27.58. So let's go even smaller time frame and see that this is what's happening. And regardless of this, if you pull the fib from here to here, 127 is not just hit yet, but it may go up and hit that level, and then maybe dropping. I don't know. 27.49 is right there, and 27.58 is right there. And again, yeah. So I would say that we are actually sitting on this 27.49. But this key number right now, if we stay above and bounce, we can go to the upside, 27.58. That goes, and then we are going to 27.90. Now, I said that it's going to drop, but it's going up. So what the heck, right? So that happens. That's why I wrote down here, because I knew that this thing is going to be very complex and it can hit a lot of SL, right? So, but the thing is that I have my system, and how I do it, I'll show it to you. And for example, last week's trades, I don't know, but so far this week, I'll show you that because I got a couple of comments that my analysis was wrong and this and that. I tell you again that my analysis is never wrong. Why is that? Why I say I'm not saying that it's never wrong because I don't get the negative trades, but the idea is I always tell you the levels that if we stay below, like we should have like 70-30%, 70%, 30%. So first scenario is 70%, and if that doesn't work out, then the 30% will kick in. So if it's not gonna drop, where the heck is gonna go? Left? No, it's gonna go to the upside, bro. So need to understand this market. Nobody knows what's gonna happen ahead of time. Elliott Wave, harmonic patterns, what they tell you. These studies are only speculation. The chances, the probability that how much we have a chance for it to go to the upside, and how many percentage we have a chance to go to the downside, right? But if you're expecting even 90% that it will go down, but then again, the news comes out against you and it will go up. Forget about the 90%, right? And nobody knows, especially when Trump just got into the office. So what do you think? What's going to happen, right? He got the magic wand, and now actually magic pen, right? Where he's signing thing, boom, 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 tweeting a lot. Every tweet mess up the market. Right, so you never know what kind of tweet he's gonna do right now. So very dangerous time. So need to be careful. But how I'm doing it, let me show it to you. That right now it's going to the upside and gone too much to the upside. But when it dip here and then start to go to the upside, I have a system, right? So you all know that. So let me show you the system if I can. Where the heck is that? I think I closed it. Let me just quickly open it up, and then I'll show it to you that how I did it, how I handled this. Right. So this is the first trade on the 19th, the gold trade. It start to drop big time. So as soon as it goes below the red line, this red line is the borderline, the changing, the bullish, the bearish, right? And then I have four conditions, and for the downside, and then EA and all of that. So EA open the trade, boom, 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 70 pip, finish, finito. Well, when that happened? On 19, right? So let's go take a look at the current chart. What happened on my 500 box size on the 19th? So on the 9th, it's 17. Actually, the entry was 17 right here somewhere, and then right here somewhere, I closed it. But notice that it came down exactly to a level. What is the level? 26.92, right? So it was started to bounce here. So what I do basically, if I have a level like that, and I anticipate that, okay, maybe it's going to bounce and go to the upside because overall it's bullish, right? It was coming down, I think. Now, if it goes there and then start to come down and then go below here, then we go down. We will change the direction. But so far, even on this chart, so you can see here from even see It's the red line is here, and this all bullish, 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 bullish. Overall, we are in a bullish trend, strong bullish trend. So we anticipate that maybe it will drop from here and then go up, and then wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five, right? Or if not, then still, just like this one, wave one, two, and then A, B, and then I caught the C, but late, but got something. But this is my count, Elliott wave count, and this is the idea that if it's bouncing above 2692, if my entry chart, for example, looks 2692, let's see 2692 is right there. 2692. So you draw these things and you wait for entry. That's it. So it came down here, bounce, 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 and then start to bounce, and then it went up there, and then no entry here. You see that? Even on the $100 size, no entry. So what happened? Let me see again. Let me go on a 500 chart. I'll show you. So it went up. It started to go up from here. I see that. So it's wobble, 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 and every time it started to go up because it's bullish. So I'm looking for long here because it already bounced from 2690. Then 2697 is gone, right? And it goes to 2708. Now the question is that I also posted on the Telegram that if we can go down, it may drop below 2708, but do you see it's dropping? No. And I need a short setup if it start to drop. But really what happened is that, look, this time here is like today, 21, 319, 310, right? 310. So let's go take a look at that here. Today, 310, right? 21st, 310. After 310, I need short entry or long entry. Let's see. So it was a bullish. See here, the trend is bullish, it's sideways, and then it keeps giving me the long, it drops a little bit, then it gives a long setup. Here, right? Long reversal candle. So basically, the only chance was to go long. There was never a chance to go short after that. See, it's all badly ranging. So if you have a reversal on what was the time, 310, right? Today 310, 35, 310, 310, 310, 310, 310, 310, right there, right? So right after that, I need a long entry because the price went up, going up, and then we have a reversal candle, bullish reversal candle on 500 box size chart, right? So after that, can you see here? This is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, and entry after entry after entry is gone. So with this, you obviously it's not going down, it's going up. So you take it from here, entry here, and then to the next level, which is 27, 21. Next level is 27, 26, right? So it went there from there, and then again entry, and then 27, 26. Hit that, then again it's refused to drop, and then start to go to the upside. Then it drops now, right? Here from here again, it came down here to 27, 21. So the pressure is still to the upside, right? So what happened here? This is today. You can see here 121, 1345. 131, 1345. Where is that on a 500 chart? Let's go take a look. You see this here? 121, 1300, 1325. Right there, we have a reversal candle. So again, now I need a long setup, right? Short, no short, because instead of coming down, it's keep going to the upside. So even I said it that it's gonna come down, but it's not. It's going to the upside after that. So every time it goes reversal to the upside. I mean, if you see this one from here, reversal candle and red candles, you can go short if you find the entry. That's it. If not, then what's going to happen is that since the trend is still to the upside, right here, the long setup. So 1345, a long entry. And let me see if I can show you that 1345 today, gold. See, this is exactly 1550. I got this entry. It went up. Let me see on that 200 box size chart. 1345 today, 10 somewhere here, right there. This is the end. 1550, 1345. The reversal candle was here, right? And after that, I got this entry. Then I had this entry and this entry. So this system, remember what I just said a little while ago? My analysis is never wrong. Why? Because even if I was expecting a down move, so but how I can go short here? There is no way that I can go short. And after that, it goes up again. It's above the red line. There is no short entry, but yeah, there is an entry, but it's a bullish entry. What can I say? What can I do? The only thing that I can do is take the entry, the long entry, and I did. And here's the, where is it? I showed you the two. No, not this one. There's the that's 150 from here. Then I closed it already, long time ago, right? So this is how it is. So you go by the analysis, but both sides, and you draw the level that when is the moving time. Gold moves about almost about on the back of any news there, the yen news, the gold, the euro news, pound news, USD news, Aussie news, gold start to move. So need to be careful that and draw your levels. This is from the other computer, that's why you don't see levels here. Otherwise I have levels drawn on my 500 and 200 and 100 and all of those entry charts. Usually, where the heck is this? Okay, that's 200. I need to, I don't have it here. I have another computer where all these numbers are also drawn, right? Maybe here they went to the background, I guess. I don't know. Let me see. No, I don't have numbers drawn here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save it, save the template and apply it here. Excuse me. So you got the idea that you play. See now, it dropped straight to what level? What level is that? 27.49. I just showed you. Why is 40, 48? Yeah. 29, right? So it came down and bounced and trying to bounce, or maybe not, and then it's gonna drop, right? But this is how level by level. You take the entry here, this level close, but it didn't drop from here, right? So from 7 minute or like $100 size, I could have gone long here, but because no long entry here, but on the 100, yes. Or you can just simply take this one or this one, any of these, and then just right. So if you take the first entry, that will do the job, right? And for not to miss the first entry, what I do is usually I put my EA. You can probably see here. See, Sam Oil and Gold. That's the EA only for oil and gold. So it opened the, see this small arrow here? So the EA opened the trade and went up, right? So this is how it is. The analysis is one thing, and where the price is going is another. Analysis is like Elliott Wave and harmonic pattern. I have a Elliott Wave count here. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, but 5 should not be bigger than 3. But look what happened. Who can stop it? Who can change it? Nobody. Nobody knows if it's gonna stop. Now maybe it's gonna drop. So if it is going to be dropped, and it's definitely gonna drop because it's too far from the red line. Every time it goes away too far from the red line, it will come back. You see that? Here, all the way here, and then ABC coming back. They always come back to the red line. You see that here? It was way to the upside, it's come back, right? And here, it's keep going to the upside, but all these dips, opportunity to go long. Okay, so this is how it is. Now, pay attention to the daily chart and see what happened. This number here, 27.49, we should stay, if we stay, again, if is a big question mark. If we stay below 27.49, and on a 500 chart, I see a reversal candle, which already did, right? And now it's wobbling here. So all I need is to wait to get a short entry. If it is going to go down, it will give me a short entry. Can I go short now? No, there is no way in the world that I can go short. Can I go long right now? No. both scenario are dead right now, so I'm going to sit and wait. Even my 200 box size, if there's any entry, well, there's a long entry, but I'm not stupid to go long here, all the way on the top, right? So I will not bother with that unless it start to come down. I will look for short, and then I'll show you my entry trade. If it is a retracement, then yeah, you go for long. After the retracement, go for long. After the retracement, go for long. After the retracement, go for long with the long trend, but not all the way on the top, right? After the retracement. So we have a big move to the upside and not enough retracement. So, no, it's like outside, no way I can go out, not outside, I mean, long side, right? But only possible way that I can trade this gold right now is if I find a short setup before below 27.49. All right. So be aware of that, and remember that we are still not out of the wave 4 problem. Whoops. So this is still if A, B, and then what the heck is that? I don't know. So this is what it is. The wave 4 is very complex, and sometimes we call it a complex correction. Means it could be like A, B, C. Then again, it's separated by X. This could be A, B, A, and then A, B, C, and this could be X. Means this correction is complete. The new correction starts. Then this could be A, and then B, and then C, and then a triangle, and then you have a flat correction, and then you have a complex correction, and then you have again triangle. It can happen on and on and on and on, right? So the possibility is there. So wave 4 is very, very nasty, very complex, and most difficult wave of all to trade. So be careful. Okay, so if you draw the fib from here to here, you see this touches 38%. Then it bounced from 11.4%. That was a very good setup. So again, after that, it went up to hitting 78%. Basically, here you can 50 to 23. Then it's supposed to go to 88, so which it did. So that was a bad pattern. But instead of playing out, it became a failed bad pattern and then continue going to the upside. We took out this one, this one. Now we are dealing with these two. You take out these two, then we're going for this, right? But even if it's going to go to the upside, but I will not go long unless I have a reverse retracement, like at least this much or this much. So this is the extension, right? So retracement and then going. So this is how you trade, right? So don't get discouraged. This is why okay, let me show you. Let me show you something else. I made this chart for Euro Yen the other day, not the other day, yesterday, actually. So this is the harmonic pattern X, A, B, C, and then I posted that on my Telegram here, right there, right? And I posted the reason also that this is the reason. This is how the butterfly pattern is supposed to be. So these three points were in place, X, A, B, C, right? Let's see, it's supposed to go to the upside there. But currently, where it is now, what the heck? Here, see that? Right from there, it bounces and it went up. So I posted this on the Telegram already, right? So it worked out. So sometimes things, work out exactly the way I say, but sometimes the news comes out the other way. And, by the way, why is that? Because of, look, another chart that you see this chart here? I made it yesterday, and something is beeping. Set up there somewhere. So now this one is, you can see that this is the index, right? So when index is also bouncing and it's kind of like a bad pattern, right? 50 to 23, and it goes to the upside, and it is already here. It's on the other computer. Let's see if I have it here. No. So yeah, so it is already here. So because of that, all yen pair went up. And then I had a couple of yen pair trades based on the back of this analysis. Where the heck is it? Euro yen, 75 pip. Pound yen, 65 pip. Easy peasy. Pound yen on the 20th. From here, 45 pip. Again, the second shot today, 65. So how much you can count? And euro yen, I posted this chart on the Telegram, and everybody should have it. And it went a lot more than that. I closed it early, actually, right? So it is already around like 62.42 somewhere where they closed by. Let me see. Yeah, it already touched it, right? See that? So after a little dip, maybe I'm gonna go down and it will go reverse. And then if that happened tonight, I will go long again because the idea is that we're supposed to go there. So this is how it is. And this is just beeping for short, but I'm not gonna go short because I know where the heck is going, right? And if this is what it is, but if I find, let's say, it start to drop and then somewhere here I'll find a short setup on my 7-minute chart, I'll take that. Maybe it's gonna drop. Who knows, right? So this is how you need to be able to change direction at any given time, right? On the basis of anything. Anything can happen in this business. Any kind of funding can come, right? So draw the system. If you have my system, work like that. If you don't have it, then just just draw this SNR level, and I get these SNR levels from the weekly charts. Weekly charts you open and you can see, like for example, I have daily, weekly, right? So these are the numbers. These are the numbers I draw on my 40-minute chart entry charts. So if I see that, yeah, okay, it's going up above 27, 26, and there is a setup above this, I'll take it. If you go on the 27, 26, which one is that? 27, this is 27, 31. See, 27, 26, this entry right above that. It broke above it, came back, found support, and bouncing. 27, 26, this line. And after that, this one is another one, 27, 31. And then all the way straight to this number here. Now we are struggling with this number. I don't know, maybe it's gonna go up more, but I'm not interested going up more. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful trading week. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. But again, be careful. Very, very gold is in a very, very dangerous zone. Be careful and have a setup, have a system. If not my system, get a system. Without that, it's difficult to handle this market. This market can move anywhere in any given time. And my SL is always very small. Like for this one, if I open the trade here, my SL is right below this. That's it. If I'm wrong, get out quickly. If I'm right, I took it here already. You saw the trade. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.